Greetings family, this is Bomani Tamba and we're live on Revolutionary Cam, and I have my good brother here today, and he's here to talk about his ventures into Ghana as far as doing tours and doing many reconnection. Brother, can you introduce yourself to our people?
Yes. My name's Tyree. We started Ghana Recon tours with me and my brother Titus, and we're starting to look into having Americans, travel back and forth and doing international business with the motherland. And so it's an exciting time for us. We're very enthused about what the possibilities could be, and just building up ourselves and the homeland in Ghana.
Well, perfect. I love the fact that you just went to Ghana this year,
Mm-hmm.
and then you have the inspiration to say that, I had the greatest time of my life, and I want to share it with my brothers and sisters from the African diaspora. And that's the same energy I got on my first tour to the African continent in 2004. And that's the most honorable thing you can really do. So what we want to do is want to find out what are some of the things that you want to share with people specifically on the tour, and how long the tour is, and just give us a little more detail about the tour.
What inspired me the most was the actual history that I never really knew about Africa. Is the untold stories of families and the slave dungeons and the warfare that went on that was really touching. And just to actually see the land itself is very beautiful, and it's just not what you would think. And seeing all the starving kids on TV in America. So when I got there, it was, it's plenty of investment opportunities, fertile land, and just a lot of tourism going on. So it's very it's happening. Nightlife is good. Skyscrapers getting erected all over the place, and it's just not what I expected. And I think black people in the diaspora really need to see that.
That's perfect. And you mentioned different variations of Ghana. So you're going to be taking people around the country, and I named some of the cities that they're going to be going to.
Yeah, well, you're flying into Accra, the capital city, and then we're looking into going to Cape Coast. We're also going to Kakum National Park there. We're going to hit up Labadi Beach, and, a couple waterfalls. Just see a variation. It's like 6 different regions in Ghana from what I understand. And we won't get to see all of them on the first tour, but we will get to, bounce around a lot and see a lot of the sights.
Perfect. And one of the places I wanted you to really talk about is Kumasi.
Yeah, Kumasi.
And,
yeah.
I want to find out, is that more of your highlight of where you're going to be doing a lot of things?
Not this trip. I definitely want to move there and live there personally, but I didn't think we had enough time to hit up everywhere. And Kumasi is you want to spend a lot of time there if you're gonna go. But we wanted to show people the capital city, the Kwame Nkrumah National Museum. We wanted to see the beaches and the slave dungeons for sure. And we wanted to just narrow it down. And next time we'll definitely hit up Kumasi and dig that whole scene.
Perfect, Pam. And the thing of when you go to Ghana, it's too many places for you to go in Ghana, and you're looking at a country where you have so many different regions and so many different things to do, and you're taking it the best way, which is to basically start out with a few days in the country and then expand, because as you build experience, you begin to share more. And I love the honorable energy of our brother here. And we definitely want to wish them the best in their future ventures, and we'll do our best to give all the support and love, because we need more and more of our people into tourism. I've always told people that tourism is the best business that we can get into, as a way to get more into the African roots and culture and really connect into the country. And is that what you felt when you first went on your initial journey?
Yes. It's definitely a vacation spot. You really feel at peace, and the people are warm and inviting. So just that tourism aspect is huge, and just the fact that, hey, this is the path we took, on them slave ships many centuries ago. So I mean, hey, it changed my life, and I think it'll do a lot for the American people who don't feel adjusted to American culture. Could tap back into their roots and really see themselves and the people there.
Perfect. And family, what we want to do now is we want to get all of your contacts.
Oh, yes.
So you can share with everyone where they can reach out to you. That way they can connect and join these tours and begin to be a part of a growing future of more and more of our people connecting to the African continent.
Yeah, sure. Any questions about Ghana Recon tours, you can email me at tyreebusby@hotmail.com, or you can hit up Titus Busby at gmail.com. That's TITUSBUSBEE at gmail.com. And you can look us up on Facebook at Ghana Recon Tours. And yeah, we're looking to put up the website in the next couple weeks, so be on the lookout for that. We'll be shooting more videos and dropping more links to all our video productions and stuff that we plan on shooting while we're there and leading up to going. So we're excited about the people who've already signed up. We were trying to get us a good group of enthused people who want to see as much as we can see while we're there. And we look forward to multiple tours and throughout the year. Do one every season, and just however many people want to see it, we'll be there for them.
And family, so that is very excellent. And this is the spirit of what we need more and more of our people to support. We have a lot of our brothers and sisters doing incredible things on the African continent, and they definitely need your support. And that's how we're going to build a future together. So family, do reach out to our brother. Check him out on Facebook, Ghana Recon Tours, and you're going to have all of the details on there.
Yes.
Little more than that we can just really share with you right now. So definitely when you click on it, check it out, reach out to the brothers, ask them all your detailed questions, and we'll get you connected to the motherland. And anything else you'd like to share before we close?
Yeah. I just want to tell everybody to open their mind to it. It's a big country and it's a big continent that you can go see. And it's your land too. And you just think bigger.
Absolutely. All right, family. So we'll keep it strong.
There it is.